Good Friday afternoon. Thanks for joining us here on Valley News Live at 5 o'clock. A look at our Dakota Magic Casino Skycam shows plenty of sunshine, a little bit of a breeze there, but really things are quiet for us for our Friday evening, which is indeed good news if you are planning on stepping out to the FM Redhawks game, the home opener, of course, this evening with a 7:02 first pitch. Looking at that satellite and radar, seeing just really how quiet things are for us across the board. We'll see. Yeah, let me get that satellite and radar pulled up here for you. Let's push this button right there, and there we go. There's your satellite and radar. Things pretty quiet for us, not expecting too many concerns for your Friday evening. May see a few pop-up showers or storms in our northern valley neighborhoods. You can see even some rainfall right now in Towner County, but for most of us, we will stay pretty quiet for us, and even if those showers do indeed form, they should be isolated in nature, though they could get pretty intense with how much humidity and heat we have. So be on the lookout for that if you are in the Northern Valley for this Friday evening. Temperatures seeing those 80s and 90s. So again, if you are going out and about in Fargo or Grand Forks, 90 still that temperature. The dew point temperatures, we're seeing 70s in the warm spots. You can see that 75-degree dew point in Roseau, where that heat index is the warmest in the valley right now. 69 degrees that dew point in Grand Forks and in Fargo. So a little less humid into Lakes Country, Detroit Lakes, that dew point at 63 degrees. So here's what we're looking at for tomorrow. We, of course, have that first alert weather day for tomorrow and another one for Sunday as well. What we're looking at is the best chance of severe weather being in the evening, but in the morning, we could see a few strong storms wafting across the area from west to east as well. Notice the yellow. That does include mainly 8 points from I-94 and north. That's the slight risk of severe weather, which is on 2 out of 5 on the severe weather risk scale. Here's what we're looking at. Right now, large hail and those high winds, primary concerns for us. Not too worried about an isolated tornado in this particular setup, but flooding, notice the flooding is pretty high there. So we could see, especially areas where there's already been a lot of that rain has fallen in the past couple of days, we're more likely to, of course, see, again, that flooding potential with us in any of these storms because, again, all that humidity's got to go somewhere. And when those storms suck up all that humidity, that's where you get that heavy rainfall and the potential for some flooding in some locations. So the hour by hour shows things fairly quiet for us tonight, maybe a few showers up along the international line, but notice temperatures still in the 70s to low 80s by 10 o'clock this evening. Overnight, expecting to stay quiet for us, but by 7:30 a.m. tomorrow, there's where we're watching for that potential of those showers or a storm or two to move into our western neighborhoods. And notice as we go toward lunchtime, those showers do push across the area. So I'm not expecting too much from these, just some heavy rainfall, possibly some rumbles of thunder. But if we can get enough instability in the atmosphere in the early morning hours, could see a strong storm tomorrow morning. Then going through the lunchtime hour into the afternoon, things stay quiet for us until we hit that hottest part of the day where we do have those showers and storms. And this for Saturday is where we're looking for that best potential of severe weather. And you can see they're kind of spotty. But of course, with how humid things are on Saturday and how hot, those storms could get intense quickly. And so we, of course, have that first alert weather day because people will be out and about enjoying their 4th of July holiday. And we want to make sure folks are weather aware and have a way to get weather warnings in case any are issued on these strong severe storms we could see for Saturday. And the same goes for Sunday, where, again, any storms that develop can get intense pretty quick. And so same story if you're out and about enjoying the great outdoors, have a way to get those weather warnings for Sunday as well. Monday, some lingering showers and storm activity. Looks to be not quite as widespread as it will be for the weekend. But then, Andrea, as we go into next week, we stay humid and we stay hot, but at least we'll have some dry time mixed in there as well.
Sounds good. Thanks, Nathan.